If your makeup tends to get super oily with makeup, especially on your T-zone area, and you have to wear your makeup for a long time, then watch this video. When you wear makeup without cleansing or exfoliating your skin before, you're literally suffocating your skin, which can cause your skin to produce excess oils. Think of it like this: when a toilet is clogged and you try to flush it, it brings the stuff up. So instead, you want to unclog it first, maybe with hot water or ice or whatever you use to unclog it. Then you want to flush it to prevent the stuff from coming up. So the same thing applies with your skin. You want to unclog your pores first with a cleanser to help remove the excess dirt, previous makeup, oils, and everything that settles in your pores before applying makeup to prevent your skin from pushing those oils out when you do have your makeup. So to cleanse, I would recommend a gentle cleanser. A great one for oily skin is the Beauty Pie JAPANFUSION Pure Transforming Cleanser. I like this cleanser because it has antioxidants, which are great for your skin. It also has vitamin C, and it really helps to dissolve surface oils on the skin. This is a great cleanser for oily skin to help clear up the buildup on your skin for healthier and smoother skin. You should cleanse your skin daily for at least 60 seconds and wash your skin with water. So one common mistake we usually make is exfoliating your skin every day after cleansing. Exfoliating your skin is great because it's going to help remove the excess sebum and dead skin cells on your skin, which will help control the oils on your skin when you do have makeup. But this doesn't mean you should exfoliate every day because it can damage the surface of your skin, because you're stripping your skin of its natural oils that are needed to keep your skin healthy, which can make your skin really dry. And when your skin is overly dry, it produces more oils, which you don't want. So you should exfoliate your skin twice a week at the most to help balance the oils on the skin without overly drying or stripping the surface of the skin. To exfoliate, I would recommend a chemical exfoliant. I really like this one by Versed Skincare. This is the Daily Brightening Solution because it works for all skin types to help remove the sebum and dead skin cells, leaving your skin smooth and ready for a good makeup base. So the main reason why makeup gets extremely oily is because your skin underneath the makeup is dehydrated. So your skin compensates for the lack of moisture by overproducing oils. So it's very important for you to hydrate your skin with a serum or a moisturizer that helps to improve the level of moisture on your skin so that it doesn't overproduce the oils. So to hydrate the skin, I would recommend a setting spray. One that I love is the Dalba Mist because it contains hydrating ingredients and antioxidants that really help to improve the moisture level of your skin. And I like to just spray it all over my face, and then once I spray it, I let it dry on my skin. Make sure my skin is absorbing all those nutrients. This serum is great for all skin types, and it's a really great serum to really help quickly hydrate your skin when your skin is feeling really dry. So I like to just take my fingertips and pat that onto my skin to make sure that my skin is absorbing the product. The reason I love this mist so much is because it acts as a spray and a serum at the same time. So it leaves my skin looking luminous and glowy but hydrated. It has ingredients that helps to lock in moisture onto your skin all day long without leaving your skin sticky. So it's great for before makeup and after makeup. This will prevent your skin from being dehydrated and will prevent excess oils from peeking through. And I just want to give a huge thank you and shout out to Dalba for sponsoring us in today's video. So after applying the serum, you want to go in with a hydrating primer, and one that I would recommend is this Kevyn Aucoin Skin Central Primer. This is a lightweight primer and it's really hydrating because it has hyaluronic acid and it's going to help protect your skin from producing too many oils. So there are two main categories of products. You have water-based products and you have oil-based products. If you have oily skin, then you want to opt for water-based product because the reason why your skin might be overproducing these oils is because your skin lacks hydration. However, using water-based products is going to ensure that you're hydrating your skin without adding those excess oils, making your skin comfortable all day long without overproducing those oils. So for foundations, you want to opt for Longwear foundations, such as this Maybelline Superstay Up to 24-Hour Foundation, because they contain the least amount of oils. This one by Maybelline contains 0 oils. Also, hydrating foundations such as the Born This Way foundation by Too Faced are really great because they're also long-lasting. This foundation is also oil-free, but it helps to lock in moisture on your skin and prevent your skin from producing too many oils. For concealers, you want to use waterproof concealers as these stay in place all day without smudging, such as the L'Oreal Full Wear Waterproof Concealer. It's a really long-lasting waterproof concealer that stays in place all day long. Sometimes we tend to think that using a setting powder to bake the makeup will make the powder absorb the oils on the skin, leaving your face dry all day, but that's never the case. Baking is good for certain occasions to help make sure that your makeup doesn't crease or move around. However, baking every day can cause your pores to push out that powder, causing your makeup to be oily, especially if you're in hot and humid weather. This doesn't mean that you shouldn't use setting powder though. You should use a translucent setting powder or an oil absorbing finishing powder on the areas of the skin that get shiny during the day, which is usually the T-zone area. But the key is to use a small amount. So you want to use a brush to dust the powder under your eyes to set the concealer. If you apply a lot by accident, you can go in with a damp beauty blender and press it on those areas to help absorb the excess. I get really surprised when people with oily skin tell me that they've never heard of blotting powder. Literally, blotting powder is the key to help control the oils and shine on your skin. They come in two different forms. You can use blotting powder or blotting paper. If you're using blotting paper, then you want to press the paper on the areas that get oily during the day. So I would recommend carrying it with you everywhere in your purse. If you're using blotting powder, I would recommend getting a small sponge and pressing it on your skin to touch up your makeup whenever it gets oily. But sometimes you can apply your makeup and realize that after a couple of hours, it starts creating these laugh lines around your mouth area. And this can get so annoying. And that's why you have to watch this video right here, because in this video, I show you the best technique to stop makeup separating around your mouth area.
KLJ, welcome to a channel where it's poppin'.